Hello friends, welcome to CyberDucky. Today I'll show you how to set up pfsense virtual firewall for home hacking lab to test nmap and other hacking skills. Okay, so first to set up the lab, first we need to download the operating system pfsense, and we select AMD USB, and I'm from Singapore, so I just the closest one. So it will take some time to download. Once download, we will mount this to the VM. Then from there we can see how to boot in a VMware, then how to add interfaces. Then we create special VLANs for hacking or port servers, and you can scan. Let's wait for finish this one. Yeah, the download is finished already. Yeah, once we download from pfsense side, so then we need to extract the file where it will be in the download. Then you need to use 7-zip. In my case is in a document I move already, so it will be like this, and then you will use 7-zip to unzip this one. Then it will become folder. Then you have the the image file. So let me open my VM. So just open VMware or any virtual system, virtualization, either even VirtualBox, anything you like. Go to open new VM or virtual machine. Then you go here and select the file. So it's in downloads, pfsense, and in my case this is the file. Then select, and I just say pfsense. So then what we have to do is go next. It already exists. Okay, let me delete that. Yeah, just change the name and give hard disk. I give 100 gig, and customize hardware. I want to have memory maybe 1 gig just for fun. Then NAT device, NAT, so this is I think your management interface will be. So I add another few network cards just to this one I put host only, and add one more network, maybe the one considered as a DMZ, also host only. Yep, so these are the two network cards. This one is NAT. Then done, close, then finish. After that it will come and boot. Let's see how it boots. I hope it's clear. So this is the serial mode. You don't need to do much here. Just wait for things to boot. Once it's boot, it will give you the IP address information once it's fully set up. So accept, install pfsense, yes. Okay, this is what I think I go with the first option, root on F. I think there should be second one. Then yes, DOS partition. Okay, commit. So let's wait to finish this setup. It's asking for reboot, so I'm gonna reboot. So basically, what is the use of this firewall, right? So this one is a virtual firewall. So I'm setting up in my VM where I can secure my lab. So I can do some. Later I'll show you how to add devices to the firewall, then how to create policies and how to allow them, how to access from remotely. So my plan is to use this one as a protection for my home lab because I'm going to run some of the exploited VMs. I don't want them to talk to internet and bring me virus or bring me some bad threat actors into my network. So the best way is for this to put in a virtual firewall, then put all the hacking box behind that and block all the connectivity going out. So this way I have full control of which destination they are talking. So yeah, let's wait for it to finish setup complete. Then we will, okay, it's already giving me the informations, like the WAN is connected on this one, DHCP, LAN is on 991. So let me see if I can access yeah, let me see if I can access here on HTTP s 192.168.1.1. I'm not sure whether it be able to access. Let me see why it's not working. Then let me try with the other one, 168.9. okay, let's see which one is working. HTTP. .138. Okay, looks like both is not working. So the issue may be the IP reachabilities I don't have. So let me see how it is assigned. For that I need to go to interface assign. So I press number 1 option so I can see all this. So if you see here, EM0 is up, this one up, and what we saw before is no. To be the WAN, right? It's asking enter WAN interface name or auto dedication. So either way, name blah. Let me double check the setup again. Okay, the reason I think it doesn't work because I've realized the IP address is wrong here. So it should be 10 series. So if I go to virtual network manager, my host only is 10.10.0. So I need to give one IP from here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to option 2. So I need to say which one I need to give. So I give 2 DCP. So it's asking configuring IPv4 address LAN interface via DHCP. I say no. So it's asking to enter IP address and 10.10. I put 250, I think 250. So it's asking for subnet also. I give 255.255.255.0. Okay. Oh, okay. It's one only this one, is it? Okay, done. So none. SCP. Actually, no need. Enable. No. IP yes. So its new IP address I can access should be able to 10.10.250. Let's see if I can access the one. Okay, what was the IP address again? I asked something, it's showing there. It's HTTP, so that's a thing I didn't. Yep, it works. So I can see the pages there. So I just put admin, pfsense is the password, pfsense is the password. So it's asking whether I want to save. No, I don't want to save that one in my browser. Next. So I put what? home-lab domain. I don't have one. I think cannot put dash, I think, and underscore cannot put, I think this one can. lab, no DNS I can give is this one. Secondary is 8.8.8.8. override allowed, no. Next. I am in Singapore, so it should be Asia all the way up, I think. Yeah, I'm here. CP WAN is okay. The little bit static. Sorry, DHCP. I don't care. No, I don't need to do anything of this. Next. LAN address, yes, 24. Done. Admin password, I just leave it as it is. Reload. So it may take some time. Yeah, it's done already. Check for update. So there is the latest release. Let's see if there is an update. Yeah, it says up to date. Thank you. So this is done. So what I can say here is okay, done. Thank you. So okay, so what we see is the WAN IP address is this one, and this is the LAN. So but what is the use I have this? Why I need? So typically when we run some of the hacking box in local, they may need to talk to some of the unknown destinations, which is I don't want, and you also I don't think should do that, because these are, we don't know who are the people who set up these, and what is the intention sometime. So to be safe, to stay away from vulnerability issues, or maybe allow someone to exploit your network, we can put behind this network. Okay, how to do that? Okay, let me go to my Kali. Let me see. Yep, so we have set up the pfsense, and let me log into. So I have two networks. If I go firewall or interface, I have one LAN, one is lab, and one is WAN. So here I have the pfsense, Kali, and here I have the pfsense. Here I have the Parrot. So I already established the connectivity. I can reach Kali from Parrot, but I cannot go to Google. But from Kali I can go to, see, replies coming from Google, and I can ping the Parrot. So that's all about for today. So it's just setting up the pfsense, then how to add. So if you have any questions, let me know. So just to recap, so what I've done is we downloaded the pfsense from pfsense website over here, then we downloaded, setup, then we added two VMs to the network. One is for LAN and one is for lab. So again, if you have any questions, please comment. I'm happy to help you with the answers, and thank you, and see you again in another video.